Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a gradient style wallpaper on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you're choosing a wallpaper and you want a solid color, however, with the solid color, you want a gradient pattern, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and long press on the wallpaper. Next, tap on wallpaper and style. Now we'll go ahead and customize our home screen wallpaper. So we'll tap on that. Then we'll tap on wallpapers at the top. Now we'll go ahead and scroll down and we'll find the solid colors. So for example, these colors. So let's just go ahead and choose one solid color. So for example, yellow. Now we can go ahead and tap on colors and customize this more. So we can go ahead and choose all our different colors. We can even choose the transparency level. So if you want a solid color, or you want it transparent. Now next, if you want to change the gradient in that solid color, you can go ahead and tap on style. And now from here, you can go ahead and choose from all these different styles. So you have a gradient from getting dark to light. You have a random pattern gradient. You have a random pattern gradient again, and you have this gradient again. So you can basically go ahead and choose from all of these different styles of gradients you have on your Samsung S25 Ultra. And once you're happy, tap done, and that gradient wallpaper will be applied to your Samsung S25 Ultra home screen or lock screen, whatever you've chosen. So there you go, guys. That is how to create a gradient style wallpaper on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.